at the size of this thing. Who in their right mind is going to order a burger that big? Can I order one crazy burger, please? When there's so many more places to eat in here. Crazy. Now this place is huge. Yodobashi. And we could spend ages walking around in a place like this, hey? And it's floor upon floor of, well, this floor is cameras. So you've got your Sony, your Canon, your Nikon, Tamron lenses. Amazing. It's huge, huge store. And then you've got another floor with the computers, phones, household goods. And just look at the tripods. Here you've got a Leica center, so all the fancy, super expensive Leicas starting at sort of $3 million for a lens. Yodobashi. You can get your prints done. This is a whole printing section here. There are people sat at these little desks, and I think you can print almost any size print you like. There's a sort of collection desk here as well, so you can do like wall prints, big posters, small printouts. This is like sort of home base on steroids. So all your different telescopes, your Kenko Sky Explorers. I'm sure I know nothing about telescopes. There's Vixens, Skywalkers. Oh, they got all the names, haven't they? There's a whole bike section. I mean, bicycles. Yodobashi. What can't you get? Eyeglasses, lipsticks, and the like. Let's go upstairs, Michelle. Let's see what's upstairs. So you can pause there. If you can read Japanese, you can work out what's on which floor. It's very loud. Big TVs. Big TVs. The size of this thing. Size 85 inches. 85 inches. It's crazy. That's nice. What brand is that? Mind, they always show the best, don't they? They always show the very best. I don't mean the very best TVs, I mean the best shows, you know, some things that are showing maximum quality. That's a good movie. That's a bit quieter. So you can tell it's quieter because they're doing speakers and headphones and things. And they don't want everybody to be sort of blasted. Oh, look at these headphones, they're really good. Noise cancelling. Well, they wouldn't work down there, would they? They wouldn't noise cancel. They cancel a fair bit of noise, but not that much noise. Acres of rice cooking machines. Look at all these rice cookers. All rice cookers. Am I right, Michelle?
Yeah.
All rice cookers. As if it was difficult to cook rice. There's a link, I'll leave it down below. How to cook rice with just a pot perfectly every time. More rice cookers. 2 rows of rice cookers. These lovely little worktop ovens that they have in Japan, which are just like little broilers, little grills. They're fantastic, they really are. I bumped into a few fans in Yodobashi today. That was nice. Vacuum cleaners, Dysons, Hoovers, everything. Everything you could want. A Karcher section, in case you wanted to, get some stubborn stains off. You've got to love these top loaders. I'm telling you, I would never ever go for another style of washing machine than a top loader. The front loaders, they just don't do it. And if you've ever really used one of these, and they got some fancy ones here, if you've ever used one of these in any part of Asia, you'll never go back. But forget those, you want to look at these top loaders. The world of Japanese toilet seats. It is absolutely staggering. I mean, look. Some of these automatically open, they wash dry your backside. They do, oh, Michelle's found one that's fancy pantsy. Shower toilet seats for overseas. See, shower toilet seats for overseas. So a travel toilet seat. Can you imagine the customs? What is that? What are you traveling with? Oh, that's my toilet seat. My shower toilet seat. Doesn't everyone travel with one? I want it to be a little more compact than that. So what do they cost, these toilet seats? 92,000 yen. So that's over $1,000. They go down a little lower. They start at sort of 35,000 maybe. I don't know what this means. I don't know what this means. That's the little bum wash going up the jacksie. So good. You can get everything you want in Yodobashi. And we're only on the 2nd floor. Let's go up another floor. Let's go up another floor. The next floor, haberdashery. Going up. We're in the toy section. Just where you would want to come to find yourself a beautiful cow, or buffalo. Is that a buffalo? A longhorn. Longhorn cows. Pigs. What you got there, Michelle?
Koala.
Ah, look at that little koala bear. Man, I used to have hundreds of those. They're $10 each. I wanted to film the guy playing, but as soon as I turned the camera on, he jumped up. They're very shy in Japan. You've got to be. I'm surprised we got away with it so far. They're probably too shy to come over and tell me to stop filming. No one else is filming in here. It's getting decidedly pink. Well, I knew Hello Kitty was going to feature in here somewhere. Are you going to drag me through clothing? I don't want to go into clothing. Michelle, I don't want to go into clothing. Every man's nightmare. It's not I mean, I don't mind clothing stores, but I like to have a purpose to go in one of these places. I mean, look at all what's going on out there. And in here, it's fabric in shapes of clothes. So we got another up. We scoot through that floor. What are we going up to? I think we're going up to the top floor where I saw, getting a bit hungry now. Do you know what we might do? You guessed it. Satuko. Okay. Can I order one crazy burger, please? Thank you, Satuko. Going for one of these. Wish me luck. 2,500 yen. About 25 bucks. Okay, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, nice new one, shiny. What is this place called? Aurora Burger. Fresh beef and vegetables. Go to the burger patties. I hope I've got the stomach for it. I've walked the kilometres today. We've walked at least, what have we done? At least sort of 15,000 steps, and we've still got the walk back yet. So yeah, Michelle will help me. Now I'm going to title this something like the biggest burger in the world, but they do a 10 burger stack as well. No, I'm not going to go for it. If you want the 10 burger, get your backsides down here to Yodobashi shopping centre on the top floor, and you can try it yourself. Aurora Burger. Thank you, arigatou gozaimasu. That's crazy. how am I supposed? I can't get my mouth around that, right? How do you get your mouth? It's a 5-burger stack, dripping in goodness. Even the bun looks good. Come in here. Come in nice and close. Now, I mustn't forget before I tuck in, eat a dog a mouse. Okay. The girls have just corrected me. It's itadagimasu. Do you pick the burger up like this? It's not going to happen, is it? How am I supposed to eat it? No. Michelle doesn't want me to pick it up. I'm going to get some napkins. Come in. We're gonna cut ourselves a slice. Should I go through the middle?
Yeah.
I mean, there's no way I can get my mouth around it, is there? Okay. Got a lovely, beautiful brioche bun on the top there, crispy. Okay, this is a knife and fork bun. There's no way I can eat this with my mouth. I want to. The child in me wants to pick this up and just squeeze it, but that is delicious. Succulent beef. That's really, really good beef burger. Good sauce. Amazing. Take a look in here. Just come in there, Michelle. I still want to pick it up. I think the only way to do this burger though really is to slice it down. It's almost like doing a kebab, isn't it?
It is.
Almost like carving a doner. But look, I've gone right through the middle now. Is there any pink in there? It feels moist and tender and succulent. The Aurora burger, crazy burger. How would you get 10 burgers in a stack like that? I have no idea. I can't pick up 5. Now I'm halfway. Look at that. Look at that bun. Look at that bottom of that bun. It's dripping with meat juices. It's so delicious. The one worry I have here though, is that I think I'm going to eat this all. Michelle's going to have to get her own burger. Because I'm halfway through. I'm doing all right. What do you think? Just come in here. I'm in for the last quarter. It's just to adjust. You've got all that lovely. Each layer of the burger's got sauce on it. It's got this delicious American style cheese melt. I'm going to get some lettuce on there as well. Make this a bit of a healthier option. Still plenty of room in the stomach, Michelle.
I'm getting worried that I'm not going to get any. I might just get a little slither of burger to try.
You might just, because I thought this would be a lot harder, but because I've walked so far today, it's going down a treat.
He kept saying he'd never be able to eat all of that. We'll have to share it.
I said to Michelle, you know, you're going to help me share this, aren't you? Because it'll be too much. But that beef patty is so moist. It's not drying. It's really delicious. I'm going to have to thank the girls before we leave. Oh, it's starting to hit now. I'm 3/4 of the burger through. There are signals getting up to my brain saying, stop, you've eaten enough. I could certainly eat all this though. What do you think? Shall I leave a quarter for Michelle? Tell me what you would do in the comments. I know what I'm going to do. I've enjoyed this immensely. It's been such a delicious burger. I'm going to say something for Michelle, otherwise we're back at the counter ordering more burgers. And I think we spent 25 bucks here on one burger. We probably spent enough. What do you think, Michelle?
That'll be nice. I'll have that quarter that's
You happy with that?
I am.
Which is a shame because I'm actually, I could eat that. It's quite nice.
So you reckon their burgers are good?
I reckon their burgers are good. Think, Michelle?
Very good.
It's good.
I don't like burgers normally, but this is really nice.
Well, I think because it's real beef, it's a pretty good ground beef in there, and there's some fat in it as well, which means there's extra flavour. The bun's really nice. It's crispy. They've done a good job. Could I eat the full 5? Absolutely, no trouble at all. Which is just a little bit worrying, don't you think? S-T-E-P. The girls are going to subscribe on YouTube. Thank you. Thank you, ladies. How sweet. Michelle's polishing off the last little bit. We're going to hit the road. If you've enjoyed today at Yodobashi with these lovely ladies, share the love, share this video with your friends and family, and we'll see you again very shortly for some fun in Steve's kitchen. Take care. Michelle's struggling with the quarter.
I'm getting there. I'm
getting there. Is it filling?
Very filling.
Yeah.
It's a whole burger.
Gochiso.
Gochiso-sama deshita.
Gochiso-sama desu.
Okay.
That's what you say after the meal. Now we've got the long walk home now, and it's chucking it down with rain, and it is quite a long walk home.